The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. Marshals Service. A teenager wanted for first-degree intentional homicide for the shooting at the Fox River Mall Sunday has been arrested. Grand Chute Police reports that 17-year-old Desmond Ellis was arrested in Des Moines, Iowa without incident Thursday afternoon at about 3:30 p.m. The Grand Chute Police Department says while they were trying to track down Ellis's whereabouts, they developed information that he was likely heading out of the state. They enlisted the help of the U.S. Marshals Service. The U.S. Marshals Great Lakes Regional Fugitive Task Force took on the investigation Monday. Following an exhaustive, around-the-clock investigation, Ellis was taken into custody at a home in Des Moines, about 400 miles from Grand Chute. Ellis is charged in Outagamie County Circuit Court with first-degree intentional homicide and first-degree recklessly endangering safety. As for the 19-year-old teen whose life ended too soon, went by the name of Giovanni Frausto, the Grand Chute Police Department would like to thank everyone for bringing Ellis to justice. Thank you for your help. Governor Evers will be addressing the state Friday morning. Normal programming operations may now resume.